Dassault Systèmes is a European company with global footprint, and our job is very simple. It's to help small startups and big international groups to drive their sustainable innovation.
The 3DEXPERIENCE Lab is the Open Innovation Lab of Dassault Systèmes. It's an initiative I started 6 years ago. The objective is to accelerate disruptive innovation that strongly impact the society.
The best part about the online experience is that there are no transitions. So we are developing, engineering new plant design, and we can seamlessly transition it to Simulia and do our thermal and mechanical stress testing. Therefore, we are saving a lot of time in the engineering process.
3DEXPERIENCE helps us a lot to start with the design from scratch. We're using a lot for design, also for simulations and the analysis that we perform on the spacecraft itself. In terms of optimizing the weight, for example, because weight has a huge cost, if you want to bring something to space. And I myself am digging more deeper into the commercialization application of the tool, because we also observed that we can make use of the 3D graphics to actually come up with the marketing material, and this helps us a lot. And we are a German-French startup, so it means that we are distributed amongst Europe, and so it also helps us a lot because we can really work live at the same time on the design, and we can collaborate together on updates and give feedback and reviews live, and this helps us a lot in the daily work-to-work approach. And with the lab, we have these facilities that are down here where we can use 3D printing, for example. We can also do some kind of fast prototyping, and that's also of added value for us.
I'm representing Venture Lab Aerospace. I think that we have a big impact on scalability of startups, because we can help startups to grow in the industry, to understand the industry processes, and that's why the partnership to Dassault Systèmes is important.
We went through the lab in Paris, in France, from 2017 to 2022, so we are just out. It was a great experience. We covered a lot of different fields, like all the modeling, aerodynamics, structural, and all the different fields, but also marketing, studies, support to go to any trade shows, so it was great. And now there's a lab in Munich, so we are very happy about that.
Yeah, it's absolutely perfect. We have already our first clients in Germany. We do really interesting projects here for BASF, for instance, for monitoring airports. And we would like to deepen our client base in Munich, working closer together with the Munich lab here, where I simply see a huge amount of opportunities to help each other, and of course also to bring the whole industry forward.
And what Dassault Systèmes is doing with the 3DEXPERIENCE Lab is the perfect example of the efforts made by various players at very different levels with one common goal: make Europe the greatest place to launch and grow global companies, and make sure that those companies play a driving role in securing our future.